Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Ozzy Osbourne Patient No. 9 is probably one of the most anticipated albums of the year, a testament to the enduring legacy of the Prince of Darkness himself, promising a sonic journey that delves deep into his signature blend of heavy riffs, haunting melodies, and introspective lyrics, all while showcasing a star-studded lineup of collaborators who bring their unique A-game to the table, making this a must-listen for any true rock and metal aficionado seeking a powerful and unforgettable musical experience. Number 5. Secret Hitler Board Game. Experience the thrill of deception and betrayal in this fast-paced game. It's designed for intense social deduction and strategic gameplay. Unbox a premium experience with beautifully crafted wooden components. The solid game boards feature exquisite foil inlay, adding a touch of elegance to your gameplay. Each player receives a hidden role, creating an atmosphere of suspense and uncertainty. Will you be a loyalist or a fascist? Keep your identity concealed with secret envelopes. This adds an extra layer of mystery and intrigue as you try to uncover who is who. Gather your friends for an exciting game night. It's perfect for groups of 5 to 10 players, ensuring dynamic and engaging interactions. Can you trust anyone? This game will challenge your perceptions and alliances. Prepare for a night of thrilling accusations and surprising reveals. What we like. This game is all about hidden roles and secret envelopes, creating a fast-paced experience of deception and betrayal. If you enjoy social deduction and love to bluff your way to victory, this is the perfect game for your next gathering. It's ideal for groups who thrive on intrigue and a bit of friendly backstabbing. What people say. The album features a star-studded lineup of guest musicians, including Jeff Beck, Eric Clapton, and Tony Iommi, who contribute unique guitar solos and riffs. The production is crisp and clear, allowing each instrument to shine through, creating a powerful and immersive listening experience. The songwriting is diverse, ranging from heavy, riff-driven tracks to more melodic and atmospheric pieces, showcasing Ozzy's versatility. Number 4. School Smart Railroad Poster Board Paper, 22 by 28 inches, white, 25 pack. Get a great value with this pack of 25 art boards, perfect for all your creative projects. Each board offers ample space for your creations, measuring 22 by 28 inches. Its 6-ply construction provides durability, making it sturdy yet simple to cut and trace. Enjoy a high-quality surface with a smooth, uniform finish that enhances colors on both sides. This versatile board is ideal for stenciling, photo backings, vision boards, and science or book fair displays. It's the perfect choice for school projects, offering reliability and a great surface for any artistic endeavor. What we like. This pack offers a generous quantity of durable poster boards with a smooth, uniform finish. If you're stocking up for a classroom, a big project, or just need a reliable surface for crafts and displays, this is an excellent choice. Its quality construction ensures your creations will look great, whether for school projects or home decor. What people say. The vinyl sounds amazing, clear and crisp. The artwork is stunning, a real collector's item. The guest musicians really elevate the album. Number 3. KLASK Magnetic Tabletop Game. Introducing KLASK, a unique magnetic tabletop game that blends the excitement of air hockey with the strategy of foosball. It's designed for fast-paced, competitive fun for everyone. Get ready for quick matches where you control your striker magnetically from underneath. Score goals while dodging obstacles, but be careful not to lose your own striker. This game is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a party, a family game night, or a casual get-together. It's ready to play on any flat surface, bringing the fun wherever you go. Crafted with a beautiful wooden finish, this game not only plays great but looks great too. It's an award-winning design recognized for its innovation and quality. Enjoy thrilling 10-minute matches that are engaging for both kids and adults. Challenge your friends and family to a tournament and see who reigns supreme. Experience a truly unique gameplay mechanic with its magnetic control system. It offers a fresh and competitive twist on classic tabletop games. What we like. Experience a unique blend of air hockey and foosball with innovative magnetic gameplay. If you're looking for a quick, engaging game that's easy to learn but hard to master, this is it. It's perfect for parties, family game nights, or anyone who enjoys competitive, fast-paced tabletop action. What people say. The album features a star-studded lineup of guest musicians, including Jeff Beck, Eric Clapton, and Tony Iommi, contributing to its diverse sound. Patient Number 9 showcases Osbourne's signature vocal style, which remains powerful and distinctive even after decades in the music industry. The production quality is excellent, with a clear and powerful mix that allows each instrument to shine through, making for an immersive listening experience. Number 2. Funko Pop. Albums Ozzy Osbourne, Diary of a Madman. Introducing the iconic Diary of a Madman from Ozzy Osbourne, now as a stylized pop album. This unique collectible brings a legendary album to life in a whole new way. From the legendary Ozzy Osbourne comes this special edition pop album. It captures the essence of his groundbreaking work, Diary of a Madman. Expand your collection with this must-have piece. Don't miss out on adding this stylized vinyl album to your display of Ozzy Osbourne pop collectibles. This is more than just a toy, it's a piece of music history. Celebrate the enduring legacy of Ozzy Osbourne with this unique pop album. Experience the Diary of a Madman like never before. This stylized pop vinyl album is a perfect fusion of music and collectible art. What we like. This collectible features the iconic Diary of a Madman album art paired with a stylized pop vinyl figure. If you're a fan of Ozzy Osbourne or a collector of music memorabilia, this is a must-have item. It's a fantastic way to display your love for the legendary Prince of Darkness. What people say. The vinyl sounds amazing, with a crisp and clear audio quality that brings out the best in the music. The album features a stellar lineup of guest musicians, adding unique flavors and impressive solos to each track. Patient Number 9 showcases Ozzy's enduring vocal power and charisma, proving he still has what it takes to deliver a compelling performance. Number 1. Casual Fashion Small Round Sunglasses. Introducing a classic accessory that never goes out of style. These sunglasses offer a perfect blend of vintage charm and contemporary wearability for everyone. Crafted with a thin metal frame, they are incredibly lightweight for all-day comfort. The durable construction ensures they'll be a staple in your wardrobe for seasons to come. Designed with a universally flattering round shape, these sunglasses suit any face. Their unisex appeal makes them a versatile addition to any outfit. Elevate your everyday look with these chic and understated shades. They add a touch of effortless cool to any ensemble, from casual outings to more dressed-up occasions. Whether you're heading to the beach or running errands, these are the perfect sunglasses to complete your look. Experience style and comfort combined. What we like. These sunglasses offer a timeless, classic round style with a thin metal frame. If you're aiming for a laid-back, retro vibe or simply need a versatile pair of shades, these are a great pick. Their lightweight and unisex design makes them a comfortable and stylish choice for anyone. What people say. The album features a diverse range of musical styles, showcasing Osbourne's versatility. Guest musicians contribute significantly, adding unique flavors to the tracks. The production quality is excellent, with clear and powerful sound throughout the album. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.